look at the street. It's a party. Which way should we go? Should we go down and back up? And look at the moon, wow.
No, I think we should go that way.
Let's follow them. There's a queue though, look, we're gonna have to get in the queue. That's a popular house.
Trick or treat!
Someone coming. Might be a monster.
They have nothing left.
What does the sign say? No junk mail. Try it again. Trick or treat. No?
Trick or treat!
Say hello and we wait and then we say thank you.
Thank you.
We got more gummy bears!
Cool.
Sweeties.
I love sweeties.
I love sweaters.
Play with
I love sweaters. I love sweaters. Thurston, I got
Where is your light, Lucas? What do we say? What do we say? Trick or
trick or
treat.
treat.
And then?
So you put them in the bucket, just one in each.
One.
All right.
Thank you.
Good work.
Come on in. What do we say?
Did you get sweet?
What? Trick or treat and thank you.
You got another one?
Yeah. We got loads of it. What is he dressed up?
He's dressed up as a
Werewolf. Oh no.
half man, half
Monster.
monster.
The half werewolf.
Werewolf.
Half werewolf.
What?
Got so much I couldn't even.
Wow.
I cannot.
Go on, Tam, it's fine.
Are you saying trick or treat?
Did you get some, Lucas?
Yes,
Batman.
Batman.
Are you gonna eat all your sweeties right away?
Yeah.
Can I have some too?
No.
Why not?
It's in 1 second.
In 1 second, you're gonna eat all your sweets?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
one?
I can have one. Oh, you're so nice. Which one?
A little one.
Oh, thank you.